Weekly Agenda and Objectives, Spanish 1, Week 14. Our objectives for this week is that students will be able to talk about foods and beverages for breakfast and lunch. Students will be able to express how often something is done, and that students will be able to answer questions in Spanish. This week we will begin Chapter 3A. 3A deals with foods and beverages and talks about expressing if you like or do not like something, and also what you may eat or drink. So looking at our weekly agenda, on Monday you guys are going to take your geography quiz. This is on Spanish-speaking countries and their capitals. You are also going to start your Chapter 3A vocabulary. So you will copy it down and we will do some work with the vocab. On Tuesday, we are going to practice more with your vocabulary terms. Wednesday, you guys are going to learn about your verbs encantar and gustar. You already know a little bit about gustar, but we're going to go more in depth. You will then practice using encantar and gustar with the Chapter 3 vocabulary. On Thursday, you guys are going to conjugate ER and IR verbs in the present tense. Again, we have already done this, so we will do a quick review, and then we will get to conjugating verbs in the present tense. Lastly, on Friday, you guys will answer questions in Spanish and practice with the vocabulary terms. If you guys have any questions, please reach out via email.